Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Cores at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe. At sipahin na rin tayo ng bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another video reaction ng gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa SB19 kasi nasa Binibining Pilipinas sila. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood tong performance ng SB19. Kaya samahan niyo ako na mag-react dito. At mag-umpisa na tayo without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go! So ito na guys, ipi-play ko na siya. Sobrang excited na ako na mapanood tong performance ng SB19. Alright? Okay, bilang tayo guys ng wait lang, sobrang excited ako ng 3, 2, 1, go! So yeah, here we go!
Was originally scheduled right here at the
Big Dome,
the home of the Pilipinas. But on that day, Typhoon Nagano, the strongest typhoon to hit the Philippines in 80 years, ravaged through Manila and central Luzon. The pageant was postponed and was held 2 days later. And on July 5, 1964, the first Binibining Pilipinas Queen, Mirna Pananilio, was crowned. Tonight, July 7, 2024, 60 years later, through all the storms and triumphs, this country's longest-running beauty pageant has brought immense pride, immeasurable honor, and countless ways of spreading love and hope.
Tagalan ng Binibining Pilipinas, no?
More Binibini Queens, together with the kings of P-pop,
SB19. Grabe yung crowd, no? Si Josh. Grabe yung crowd. Ang ingay. Ang loud. Pili.
Where did you learn to move like graceful palm trees in the breeze? What magic does she have? What miracle is this?
Magaling Pablo, no?
Chills every time you greet us. We feel that spark between us. That's back and feel the war. She's a perfect symbol of people.
Rostel.
So exciting. This girl's surely win your heart.
Binibining Pilipinas.
Binibining Pilipinas. Binibining Pilipinas. Binibining Pilipinas. The perfect symbol of the people, raising heritage in love. What a love, what a lovely way.
Wow, galing niya.
So exciting, this girl's for surely win. Binibining
Taas.
Pilipinas.
Galing yung style, no?
Binibining Pilipinas. Binibining Pilipinas. Binibining Pilipinas. Binibining Pilipinas.
Galing. Galing yung SB19, no? Grabe. Nung sinabi na yung pangalan ng SB19, no? Grabe yung crowd. Ang lakas. Dumadagundong. Dumadagundong yung buong Big Dome, no? Ang ingay. Grabe yung SB19. Ang lupit nyo. Alright? Kung nagustuhan nyo ito guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know? Bye!